Botani ma-Afrika mahle, botani bantu bomgquba, igama lami linguSilindile uMampinga umbhalo kaqosha into omntwana ingabe nobo ifundwa ndandifuna abadala. Guys, as lo bhuti lona nginombuzo ukuthi from uba usiphesihle mara usimthonari ukuhamba kanjani but uzongiphendula. Ngiphetheke ubhuti wakamdlalo osekela na ekhaya namhlanje and I just hope I'm going to give you all the answers izinto benifuna ukuzazi ngaye. This is an opportunity and if we did not, so it's now my comment section uthi nimfuna back and ningakhohlwa guys right now cela subscribe lapho, subscribe, ulike, ushare and ngifuna ukuthi ngiyabonga kakhulu guys. I wouldn't be this person that I am today ngize ngizohlala nabo Simthonado if it wasn't for nina isupport yenu, exposure yenu, konke. Mr. Simthonado,
sawubona
isivunguvungu.
Yebo sisili.
Right.
Ngiyaphila wena.
Ngiyaphila nami. I'm curious as I said. uSimthonado.
Yes.
Kodwa usiphesihle.
Yes.
Kuhamba njani because I assumed ukuthi maybe uSimbe kufanele kuphume kobo Simphiwe kanje. So when uSimthonado.
Kuze kanjalo ukuthi okay so yazi ngenza le ne.
Yeah.
You see the word uSim kahle because ngiyenza umculo vele.
Okay.
I'm actually a musician.
Yeah.
Yabo? So US no I no M. So igama mina nguSihle wakwamdlalo kahle. Yabo? So it's more like my initials. Yabo uSIM so US no I vele usihle una US no I bese uM ufundlalo wase yabo so kahle mina bengifuna ukuthi kube isentence lento le yabo bengifuna ukuthi ithi usihle emdlalo wase is more like a tornado but manje ngeke ngize ngifake le nto leyo so ngavele ngathi Simthonado nje kuphela yabo yeah so into yenzakalileke leyo and then yeah ngaphusha ngalelo gama lelo till now
and then why itornado why is Fungvung vele.
There's an incident kahle ke kayenzakala
yabo
so lapha yana I used to mengijole kama ama cipher battle mina you know do you know cipher battles
I know yes. I'm a hip hop fan trust
so I used to rap a lot yabo feeling ngizwe vele ngama poem nan so I was like you know what bese ngibhora kodwa lento ukuthi ngibhale nje kuphela yabo I was like you know let me try it out ngihambe ngiyo rapper so back in school ngisafunda we used to have lama small packaged nje cipher battles and then one time I was like nothing is vele benginomaqala vele makangiblack athanda nabeka uNswembe yabo ubhala kahle asibalana I'm like afade asibangena sibazama mangifika lapha yana so the crowd was a bit dull vele
okay
nami ngithukile I was very anxious
okay
I didn't know ukuthi ngiyoqala phi but I was like okay thingizame since banginikeze opportunity yabona sesilive I was like okay sharp and then I think ngasho into ezo 3 2 4 lapho angisakhumbula kodwa ngathi but whatever that I said there it shook the crowd like
it
the crowd bese imove kahle understand I was like how kanti lento ilula njena hayi bavele bathi no omunye wangidonsela side nje linye hot manje lapha sikela thandana yami yabona wena ngathi uyisivunguvungu mfethu yabo I was like nah I need to take this thing serious because la ngena khona angazi ukuthi yini kusuke kwenze njani but I make a mark and you know that itornado ayiveli angeke bazi bathi bokune tornado kungena next ebonisayo we understand yeah so bokile yonto leyo so hence that's why I was like okay no let me just call myself Tornado yeah
nizuleke bafethu ngihleli nesivunguvungu namasuka lana izobe khona evidence ukuthi isivunguvungu besifike
yeah
so now I want us to go back
okay
a reason that I always take our artists back it's because remember there are people who are trying this craft thing and they have plans they bayazibona be somewhere but they don't know that kunama obstacles in between
yes sorry
yeah understand so when we have people like you those people who are looking up to they should understand that you are a human being and usuka somewhere now so now I know ukuthi uye wakhulela from the paternal side of the family
yes
sorry tell me how was it where were you born let's start
mina adla vele ngiphuma ngapha vele Soweto born and bred in Soweto but ekhaya kuseKZN eMondlo yes yabo so ngikutshela ukuthi vele ngikhule kanjani ne
yes the family dynamics yes
okay so it happened ukuthi okay I think my mom back in the time now be Rolling Stone vele like I think bakashaya into zabo my career whatsoever you know so ube busy but my father was like you know what mi vele dala ngifuna indlalifa vele yabo so I'm going to take usihle ngihambe ngimkhulise vele lapha eSoweto vele you understand sharp so ngakhulela khona it was a good experience I mean coming from a father's side because bese ngithole nabo mama khona like ogogo mina ngomntana kagogo vele yabo. So my granny made sure ukuthi ngithola vele lolo thando lo mama until ngize ngibe ngaka ke, you understand. I made sure and amangeke keep ugogo wami athi sihle awuhambi ngaphandle ebusuku yabo. So namanje njengoba ngihamba ebusuku ngendawo yomculo akafeel settled kodwa ibusisa unginikezile zona.
Siyabonga.
You understand.
And then how was it like with you not having your mother, your biological mother by your side? Did you understand the situation? Did they sit you down and tell you ukuthi izizathu zokuthi uma angabikho lana it's this and that and that?
Yes, but nakhona bona they don't feel accountable ukuthi yabo bangitshele certain things.
Okay.
So they feel like ukuthi umama uyu umuntu okumele aze neclosure. Yabo ukuthi ana sihle kukanje nakanje. And ube wa phone because angazi ngambona mina umama wami but she's alive.
Are you serious?
Yeah, for real.
Like you mean that you've never seen your
never,
mother?
Ever.
Esithombeni mhlambi.
Okay, ukumbona esithombeni ngeke ngambona because I think I was 14 years. So mina 14 wa phone asho ukuthi okay sihle this is your mom actually yabo. I was like okay mom all right yabo athi angisekhe KZN khona manje yabo and apparently asekashadile
Okay.
so ushadile. Oh yeah angibuza ukuthi ngiright yabo into enjalo because ufone ngebirthday yami vele ubengifisela nje ukuthi happy birthday yabo. Then we started talking for like a week and then after a week I don't know what happened because I think yimo walahla phone or yena. Then after lapho there was no contact.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure ukuthi nawo sazama ukungifuna because ngitholwe nje abosisi my other siblings sengabazi. You understand? So they tell me ukuthi nah singabosisi bakho kahle kahle. You understand? From your mother's side. You know? So I'm like okay deyabazama but kade sikufuna thina yabo. I'm like nah it's cool. If kade vele ningifuna let's start talking and it feels good having a sister because lapha endlini I'm the only person ukuthi umdala. Okay, not the only person. Ukhona umunye umdala nyana kodwa I don't like asinabo sisi abaningi abosisi bayalandela and laba abadala kunami ke laba engibatholile abo. So siyakhuluma nje kahle yabo into enjalo nje but manje ngicina ukukhuluma naye when I was 14 nakhona bongasinto ukuthi ngimbona with my naked eye.
But psychologically what makes you strong? Because I believe ukuthi which I really commend your dad.
Yes.
Because sinestate so ukuthi abobabi isikhathi esiningi babalekayo.
Yes, for sure.
And now vice versa we wouldn't say no mama ubalekile because of other
Yeah, maybe
circumstances.
yes.
Yabo, and I liked what
okay.
you said ukuthi you feel ukuthi your paternal side ba feel ukuthi they
not
don't
accountable.
uma wakho umuntu who should come through and do all
asho
of
ukuthi yena
that.
why
But what
ubehambile.
keeps your resilience in all of that?
I'm a very I don't know ngi positive kakhulu mina. Like from a very young age I was very positive and azange ngize ngifile like I didn't feel her presence. So nanoma engekho angiyifeel ipresence yakhe ingekho. You get it? So for me it's like okay you know what akekho vele. So
Like you can never know what you've never known.
yeah exactly. You understand?
You
So
cannot say something that you've never heard.
heard angikwazi ukuthi ngithi ngikhumbula into engakaze ngayibona. So it's just like normal nje ku right nje and I'm not hard on myself nje ngide way ngingakhona. You understand? And yeah ayikaze angaffect out psychologically.
If she is gonna watch this, what would you want to say to her?
Now I'm just gonna say yena ngiyamthanda ukumthanda because uma wami she made sure ukuthi ngiyafika la ngize ngibe usimthonalo lenguwe. It's because wangithwala 9 months ngaze ngabala. You understand? So ngimthanda kakhulu mina. If uyayibona lento le ngiyakuthanda ma. You understand?
Oh mama. I want to know as intwana sekazi khulele kasi
Yes.
we out. And there's a lot of bullying.
Yes.
And there are a lot of temptations.
Yeah.
How was it for you ukhulela elokishini school wise balancing isikolo istrata nekhaya?
It is kunzima yabo. But njengoba bengisho ukuthi mina I was ngumntana kagogo so discipline ibiningi ekhaya. Like discipline was too much.
Isibhaqo besikhathi.
Yeah, I was part of his car. And then I'm ngicine sengazi ukuthi okay as in vele nami I was not a type of kid ukuthi bengilandela izinto yabona peer pressure never faced me mina.
Okay.
So yeah benginqose grade bengahluphi kakhulu mabangikhuza ukuthi sihle ungenzi into kanjena bengibalandela ukuthi okay na into kanje angiyenzi vele. Because banama reason why bathi sihle ungayenzi into so. You understand? So ngagcina ngami sengitshela ukuthi hayi kushapha into kanje angiyenzi. Ngakhetha abangani bami yibo futhi vele abantu ukuthi bengihambiselana nabo nomculo.
Okay.
Yeah, so ama journey wethu yes bengafani but we had the same perspective. You understand? So yinto engisizile mina. Bese ngibona kahle ukuthi okay khona into engathi mina ngihambiselana nayo bengishift.
Okay.
You understand? Because endlini bangifundisa lo ukuthi sihle ha mokukhona nje into ongathi wena uyenze ungahambiselana nayo. So yeah.
So lo belong where you know very well that you don't fit at all.
Exactly, because mina bengathanda ukufita in. I used to like to stand out. Mara ngendlela right kodwa. Yabo? Yeah. So yeah, kuze kube today ke. I've always been like that.
Do you think one of the good days we're gonna conquer these substances as bulala utadbethu nobhuti bethu la ngaphandle bonyawupe boyo crystal yonke lento lena? Do you think one of the good days we're gonna talk about it njengoba sikhuluma nge-COVID manje?
Yes. You know what's the problem then?
Yeah.
I feel like inkinga la thina we are taking abantu wrong. Asikwazi ukuthi silanda ama drug dealer because drug dealers will never stop. Abantu kumele sibalande abantu ababhemayo. You see, if we can minimize abantu ababhemayo, nama drug dealer ngeke azabe nabantu abangabathengisela.
But how do we do that?
So that's the thing. That's the story.
Because most of times when you hear people's stories, labantu ababhemayo,
yes.
They always have some psychological issues.
So it starts way back, this thing. Because like as much as charity begins at homes, I feel like yonke into iqala endlini vele. You understand? So masingaqala endlini senze sure nabazali kwabona ukuthi abantwana babo baze babone babhema ngaphandle. They have a say. They have a khona into abayenzile nabo.
So parents need to account as well.
Exactly.
Because kuthiwa an ignored child can literally burn the whole village.
And most ingane asikhali. So ingane engakhali fela embelekweni, you understand? And leyo mbeleko leyo kunzima but imbeleko yiwa ama drugs, you understand? So bafela khona.
I like what
so
you just said. So in a nutshell you're saying kumele thina bazali sibe more concentrate enganeni zethu so that we can be able to pick up when there's something wrong. A neglected child will literally burn the village.
Yes, because it takes a village to.
Because it takes a village to
grow. Yes, exactly.
I like that. So now, I want us to talk about your craft.
All right,
Mr. Tornado.
All right,
Sim Tornado. I know you started this when you were 12. And that time, ufika rap.
Yes.
Did you feel you were relevant at that time with what you were doing? Because most people now they say hip hop is dead, which I don't believe in that.
Yeah.
Because every lyric it's hip hop. I don't care if
it's piano, kwaito.
It's poetry.
Exactly.
So how did you know would say this is the right crowd for you and this is not the right crowd? When how did you distinguish you were on the right path at that time till this far?
All right. So as Genzala, I wouldn't say ngiyayibona indaba yobu-relevance, ne? Sharp. But mina, I feel like I was the type of person who would say I could make anything that looks irrelevant being relevant. Yabo. Not that I'm a person who would say in urge like ntando
Okay.
Yeah, but it just comes to me. I think it's nature. Okay. Yeah. So I make sure it's okay. There's a certain crowd. Yabona mesenza umculo. We're dealing with crowd. So now you have to understand your crowd. Despite the crafts that you're doing, when you understand the crowd, it's okay. Lapha nathi kunomama kanje uthanda umaskandi lapha, all right, okay, shoot kumele ngiqinise nyane ezulwini kancane.
Okay.
Oh, lapha kunekasere, all right. Then yapha uthi okay, sharp. And then after lapho, whatever that you do, you make sure ukuthi loya uzoyithanda because it's a product at the end of the day. Your craft, it's a product. Yeah. So when you go there, uzothi wena uthengisa iVaseline kanti iVaseline ithengisa ugcobiswa uloya kuphela. Ayaba ukuthi ayihlangani. So manje ngcono ukuthi okay sharp uthi okay mina ngithengisa iVaseline ne. Mara iVaseline yami inobudonyana nje yabona inama features wabo in. Exactly. Yangana so nalo makagcobisa iVaseline uzothi hayi nami ngicela ukugcobisa kancane ngezo because I think there's a smell that I recognize engisebenzisayo. Then that's where you pull a crowd together.
And then what about the package? Because now
the packaging
like what I'm trying to say is your image as well. Because sometimes other people will say I just have to work hard until I don't introduce myself. So, I don't care how I look.
Yes.
Do you think even the packaging finally it be representable?
Yeah, it has to be representable because without packaging ne brand ayihlali. Because uyi brand ngokwakho when if you're an artist. So if packaging yakho insuke embunde nayo umnandi nawe. You know, so packaging is very important, like very.
Tell me about that first song that made you to be recognized.
It was Boogie You Make Your Move, ne?
Okay.
You know, the story of that song, I was still doing hip hop, I think, because it's a poetic song, like very poetic, Okay, so this guy approached me. I think I was freestyling at Parkini as on 9. There's a park as on 9, So in freestyle, I used to have like a speaker nyana nje.
Yeah.
So let's speaker leso, we used to play beats. Dlala beats abo Pro Kid,
Okay.
Freestyle vele benginswembu mina. I ended up being so, I don't know, mara bese segazini lento lena freestyle yabo, like anything GPV bengikwazi ukucula ngayo.
Anything that bakhoyela yona you do.
Anything bengishaya.
Okay.
Yabo, I was like I feel sharp. So this guy afike in freestyle. Yabo, like nah mfethu unswembu kahle yabo. Like you dope, you're really dope. But can you hop on to piano?
You can mention his name.
It was NK the DJ, actually. NK the
DJ.
Yes.
Okay, wako nikaslak.
Yes.
Okay.
So he's the first guy who was like, got only studio session since we. Yeah. Like despite, like I used to go on my studio session, ne?
Okay.
But it never really worked out. Yeah, bo? Because at that time, I think being now like I only recorded 2 songs, ne?
Okay.
Before. And then that was like
before
the third one. Move. Yes, so that was the third one. So okay, sharp. Get to now. I know how to. I think I can.
Okay.
Okay, at now. Okay, let's try it out.
Yeah.
And then at that time, I was still doing. I think I was doing grade 11.
Okay.
So your pay grade 11, then grade 12. That's when Gayagui. Mangifela phayana, okay, yabona vele abantu be piano but different na be hip hop, and most abantu be piano they don't really like abantu be hip hop, yabo.
They don't.
Yeah, like stereotypes akhona ngazi into ephuma leyo. I don't know.
Anyway, vele abantu be hip hop most of times bathanda ba classify as abantu abazibonayo,
bacabanga bahlakaniphila manedi, yabo. So bukile into leyo. I was like, nah, yazini lo abakwenza mina ngeke ngize ngikunake, because at that time I was still like I was tapped in with hip hop.
Yeah.
I was really tapped in. I feel it. And so I was in go right. Sfigel, okay. Ang shayli beats vela shy make you move, and then I was like, okay, it was a beat in Jack Pay.
Cool.
Sharp. I was like, okay, how do I take this? Because I can't really rap.
And it's your first time now.
Yeah, it's my first time
doing this genre.
Yeah, you understand. So now I need to think of an approach. I need to think of the stylings. It's a lot of things.
Yeah.
So abantu abaningi bahlula leyo nto leyo. Because you can overthink. You can overthink wenzeni ucabange, but all of that doesn't really matter. But into balekile is how you execute the idea. So you can overthink, ucabange, but into esemqoka ukuthi after overthinking yini into ezoyenza. Leyo zibuzicabanga abanandaba nazo, because some people won't even think ukuthi ucabangani. But what they see is what you do.
Ukuthi deliver njani.
Yes, understand. So abantu abaningi bashawa deliverance.
Yeah.
And yinto kumele sifocus kuyo kakhulu. As a musician, I think besides the entertainment industry, even naku acting, it's how you deliver your acting, what. Yeah. You understand? So in technical focus is deliverance.
Yeah.
So sharp, I thought about ngacabanga overthink ukuthi ngizoyenza kanjani, but I was like, I need to be dope nge-approach la, yabo. So umuntu makangayilalela lento la, it's okay yena akayenzi piano ne, but the way angena ingoma ngakhona it's really nah. It's like, okay, ngibalanda nge-poem, because at first, as hip hop, you need to be very conscious to write hip hop.
Yeah.
You don't just write in G.
Figures of speech and all of that. You need your metaphor, your everything.
Exactly.
You need to mean one thing, like in one word, even its meaning.
Such things. So, besides Velemina, I'm a person who would say, when I write something, I relate to more than. Like I relate him more than what he's going through. Acabangele nomunye umuntu. Kuthi and yazi kunomunye umngane wami go through into kanje uyazi usihle mara. Yo, you understand? But I'm not a person othanda ukucula ngami. You know, but I focus more on abanye abantu.
Okay.
So, okay, make it move us like that, because now EU theater vele kwayona, it's very EU theater man. You know, so we need more of our motivation rather than ukuphuza ukuthi ushayisa avana to your lezo zinto zibalekanga.
I like what you're saying. Besine event is also.
Oh yes.
kune organization that I'm with, and we were celebrating June 16 because it's Youth Month.
Okay.
I ngingazisola later on because kuye kwavuka uba yi-parent. We cannot have a narrative of bringing positive vibes emphakathini, and then we still allow people drinking inside the event and smoking inside the event. I couldn't. Ngithi kuneyingane ezincane. People don't understand ukuthi you don't know who's watching.
Exactly. Definitely. Most definitely.
You don't know who's watching. So I like what you're saying. And when as a young person, how has it been for you? Do you think age group yenu yenza kakhulu negatively so?
Outstander. Like it's really outstanding. Outstanding. I don't think back in the time it was like this. I don't think ganje. Like abantu mibesaba, even if you were smoking nebona ukuyifihla ukuthi okay yazina ngifuna umuntu omdala ngibone yabo, including nomjolo konke nje yabo, it was not too exposed. But manje angazi ngathi khona umuntu esifuna ukumenza proud ngelento esizenzayo yabo. So youth ishota, I don't say idinga abantu aba strict ne, but youth idinga umqondo man yabo.
Uke wathenya intombazana bathuli my sunflower wathi I-problem yethu freedom yes overwhelm.
It's too much.
Asazenzeni ngayo.
Cause now I'm starting to feel like I think ngesikhathi apartheid bokungcono. Cause abantu abasona like monga kwazi ukuthi wenza into ezi wrong, but also apartheid was hard back then, you understand? But manje I feel like freedom isdawa amakhanda.
Because mina ngiphinde ngithi I believe nathi nge-era yethu, our grandparents and our parents bebethi labantwana bamoshakele.
How? They used to say that.
Yeah, what I'm trying to say is I think generation nje kuba ne-scandal sayo, you know, but at the very same time I'm going to go back to what you said earlier ukuthi parents need to start to account, because thina ngenkathi zethu bungakhona ukuma nomfana ekhoneni, because umama ozodlula ubaba odlula na umakhelwane and mozo yokhala endlini uzophindwa futhi kuthi akahlanye umuntu, but thina abazali bamanje ngizokulanda ngithi withi king ngiyazini akuzalelwa ingane yami lena yezwa ngapha nani niyastratheni ukuthi nizosibophisa
kuthi mina mama wonke wangishaya ngizokubophisa,
uyayibona into enjalo.
So I think vele injalo at this point angithiwa freedom yiyo emoshayo kahle so angazi ukuthi kumele kwenziwe njani ayiphi imbuzo kumele ihlale.
But nani ke sihle, going back to what you said ukuthi when you're writing, because you write your own songs,
yes, I write my own songs,
uyarapper, like ungu-jack of all trades. Don't you think Wanina as artist you playing a huge role in abo dlala kayona chichiriza kalona, the booze, the weed, the want, you know, the kush, you know what I mean? Yeah, ngwanyana twerk. Don't you think nani ukuthi you are what you eat? And you are still what you see, and you are what you hear. Don't you think ukuthi nani you play a huge role when it comes to that?
We do play a major role. Hence njengoba bengikutshela ukuthi in the making of Make Your Move ne, it wasn't a song ukuthi like it was a song yokujiva ne, but it doesn't have like a pulsa like going to because it actually me into bengicabanga ukuthi because I like to write umculo or very inspirational. Lokho ngiyakubona, but youth idinga inspiration. Because I don't think as much as we cry and say lack of jobs yabo, it's also like part of the problem vele, lack of job vele, because I feel like if we had many imisebenzi eminingi bese ngeke sibe nesikhathi sokuthi
But someone yesterday said, what if we are that generation that doesn't need to work for someone but to be more creative?
Yeah, exactly. You understand? We just need to use ingqondo zethu. Hence that's why I'm saying in the short is just a glimpse of inspiration, and then when you get it, because I'm at 2000, as much as babolile vele, like like they're very smart, like kulula, like izinto bazi-understand easy man, you understand? Yiba bakwazi ukunceda omama babo ukuthi mama wenza so na so connecta kanje na kanje yabo. We are very, like sihlakaniphile,
exposed to technology, but technology makes life easier kufana nathi. So
lento lena ifana, there's this sign man that has the black and the white thing. So
yes.
ubuhlakani bama 2000 I feel like bu bad side babo good side babo. So bakalu kuwela ngale man kubhe bathanda ukuba bonqondo.
But everywhere when right now you can be a philanthropist, usize everybody,
yes.
wenza all the positive things,
but
that
still,
one thing ungayenze wrong,
it changes everything.
Everything.
Exactly. And hence that's why bathi mohamba nabangani aba wrong now uzogcina wrong, you understand. So yonke into yenza I think it has something to do with umuntu wayena. Yabo, so if we could try to reach people's souls out there, kuthi na mfethu zama ukushintsha ukuthi naye makalala endlini acabanga ngathi okay, self introspection, hayi man yazini abele ngenza into so you understand, because we can try everything. The list or the best thing
ningama scientist
is
na experiment,
the least that a person can do as us, I'm a musician, is to hand out a helping hand, and then umuntu sakazo decide ukuthi yena uzokhetha ukusebenzisa leso sandla or what, you understand. But it all starts with, okay, yes, it starts at home, mara nakhona futhi iqala kuye umuntu ukuthi yena uyafuna ukushintsha now, and then nathi asingabamoshi kena because already siyabona ukuthi abazimiselanga ukuyisiza. So let's not help out ukuthi basi-destroy yabona, you understand. So yes, so if we have leyo nto le poetic obona kahle ukuthi okay, can go out there, if we have leyo nto le obona ukuthi lezo motivator, put it out there, like ibeke lapha ngaphandle.
Inkinga ngisho manje onke umuntu ufuna ukuba woke.
That's the thing.
Uthi ayi ngizobabhora mangibatshela ukuthi do not give up. Ngizozenza motivational speaker bazothi
yabona ke unese ufuna ukufitha in, and inkinga eqala khona lapho. Yinkinga leyo ukuthi wanting to fit in man is inkinga man, because manje sesinabo oversized abo medium abo small, so wonke umuntu une size yakhe. You can't really fit in yonke indawo. You understand? So wonke umuntu une size yakhe. So know your place, know where you stand, and have discipline, man. Yeah.
So now sibuyele ke na kwi make a move.
Yeah. All right.
So why recorder? Did you have confidence at that time that it's gonna make a move, Vele?
That's a part. Yeah, I being an idea. Even now, I'm even an idea. It's okay. The song, it's gonna blow up whatsoever. Because there's a song that it did blow up actually.
Yeah.
It was out there because go TikTok, it was a song of mine. Okay. But many years I didn't really think I could see ingafika life.
Please mention the song.
It's Ifiso. I did it with Mega. There's a song about Ikola. Oh, Kola. Yeah, so that we want to approach the song. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So I did a song with him, and then we put it out there with TikTok, Yakichima. Like it was very healing. Be right, man. Yeah, so this is after the show.
Yeah.
But okay, so I never tell ukuthi ingoma izoyenza big or whatsoever. I understand, but ukuba nethemba, because I think my superpower is having faith. Because it helps me, like young Caesar, everywhere I go, this thing. Faith in GI.
You walk by faith, not by sight.
Yeah. Ngihamba phezu kwe faith mina. Yabona mabathi ihamba nami ethunzini lokufa. Yeah, that's faith ke nami. You understand? And cool ukuthi I believe that God is time. Yeah, because yonke into ezakala ngesikhathi sayo, and you can't rush time, so I believe that God is time.
God is
time. Yeah.
Not God's time, but God is time.
Yes. Hayi ngesikhathi sakaNkulunkulu, but uNkulunkulu yena isikhathi. You understand? So
did you get that? God is time. Not in God's time.
Yes. So God is time. So modlala ngesikhathi udlala ngoNkulunkulu. You understand? So ebuncaneni bakho mawuthi mina ngifuna ukuenjoya, know that you udlala ngoNkulunkulu. So every time unaso, appreciate it because it's God. Hence that's why nomntana makazala kuthatha 9 months. It's God. Yonke into uyihamba ngesikhathi uyabona nanamanje we're going to talk for a certain time. So God is time. Yonke into yenzayo is time.
I like what you just said. One angsa smile.
You understand? So yonke into yenzakala ngesikhathi. So me, I believe that. So it's okay. If I'm not meant to make a hit right now, it's not my time. It's not God. It's not God. Yes, akuyena uNkulunkulu. Akavumanga ukuthi ngibe kanjeni. You understand? And then so shy make you move. At that time bele bengasitshela ukuthi izophumelela or whatsoever. Sharp see shy. How the song is nice. Yebana. how people bayahlanya, the very same people laba ba crucify hip hop bayahlanya nabo. I'm like, okay, so this thing I'm really good at it.
Yeah.
Started, okay, I was like, okay, no, now let me put more like singing, crafting now.
Now I'm worried when I say, because we are sure when at that time.
Oh yes.
When's the metric?
Oh yes, it was grade 12.
At that time, it's a crucial time.
Yeah.
How did you balance manje usim tornado no Spesihle dlalose?
Yeah, because I want to be kahle. I want to indaba kaSim Tornado no Spesihle. Ngathi bayalwa labantu laba. Yabo. So, okay, njengoba bengisho ukuthi I'm also very focused, yabo. So into engazi like mengazi ukuthi mina into angeke ngibe nayo. Ngiyayeka.
Okay.
You know, like being that persistent ukuthi okay, ngifuna ukwenza into kanjena bengilalela ngazi ukuthi okay, you will always have a voice kuwe. Esinasihliyekele lento le. Just live this, do this. If bokumele kunabantu abathi asihle mfethu asivayo. And there's an assignment okumele ngiyenze. There's a voice in you ethi avana. Ngiyazi ukuthi kunomqondo omubi othi uzoyenza mawubuya. Mara ngeke what if ubuyile it's so khathele. Yenze manje cancel. Angeke ibaleke lento le. So I was that type of kid. It's okay, sharp as in angiyenze into kanje. I'll do this ngiqede into yesikolo because yebalekile. Yabo, yes, music vele into push up, but school is very important. So nasendlini vele they made sure ukuthi sihle awulahle direction. Focus this girl. Ngize ngibe kanjena. Because now manje I'm still ngiyafunda namanje.
Tell me about it.
I'm actually doing e-learnership.
Okay.
And I'm also studying financial management. So there's a lot of things nje angise incwadini.
Kahle ufuna uba yi-artist efuna ukwazi ukuthi imali zakhe
zenza kanjani. Ngifuna like ngimuntu nje and mangiqeda manje I'm planning to ukhamba ijeni yokuba udokotela. You know, so okay, yeah, because I mean, school I think I was fortunate enough to do izinto eziningi because ngayenza science stream and accounting. So I have many options. And manje kulearnership I'm studying in marketing. So I want to learn every little thing engikwazi ukuyifunda athi ngiyifunde, grasp the information because I think information knowledge is the fruits of life. Yes.
No one will take that away from you.
Exactly. But imali kusangafika uthi scam but knowledge.
But most of artists they believe ukuthi that's the way to go. Why isikolo while uNkulunkulu engiphe something that I can survive with impilo yami yonke.
Well, it also goes there, but nakhona you know ukuthi lesikhathi siphila kuso right now is very hard because kunabantu abagatekeep talent lakho, so you can't really stand out kangako because kunabanye abantu abangafuni ukubona uphumelele.
So kunabantu ababhuma for 2 seconds.
Exactly. So the best thing because umculo entertainment nje it's just a roller coaster. You never know. So the least you could do is there are certain things on was control. Just like ukupasa scale, it's all you.
Balance.
Yeah. So if one goes okay, I don't really have control because angazi ukuthi ngizoblow up nini. Try to do things as you would say if vele ngaba determined ngizokwazi ukuzithola. So yeah. Enjalo le nto le ukubalance nje kuphela.
And how has the industry hasn't been for wena? How has it been? Because ongumuntu une journey yakhe and abanye it comes easy basokole later abanye basokola at the beginning and then be easier later on. But how has it been for you? Like in the past 5 years and now. The past 5 years and now.
Compare,
yes.
Okay, back then it was hard, because the things that we have now, that I have now, isn't being in Nazo back then. And the information that I have now, information being in now back then, because back then I was collecting information. So, abantu abaningi bamoshazi mabafika uphi. Abantu bajahela ukugcina. Abajahela ukuqala. And they will appreciate ukuqala more than ukugcina. Because people don't really care ukuthi ugcine kanjani, but it's what you gain. Because even if you fail, ekugcineni, but make sure ukuthi usaqala you collected izinto ezibhayi. Yabo, ukwazi ukuthi noma ufail okay as ngifile because maybe khona a certain thing engayenzanga but ufunde something. Unlike ukuthi usifailise nje. Yeah, how nje, I understand. So it's about how you start. And then the ending yakho, you also determine your ending while you in the middle of whatever leyo ehambayo. You understand? So ungajahela ukugcina because mawugcina angeke usabe ne-idea uba clueless nawe uthola ukuthi nini uyablow up bese uyawa. It's because bojahela ukugcina
Zangifake ifoundation.
azange exactly
Zange ufake ipontsho zokuthi mawuwa
I understand.
uwe kamnandi.
Hence that's why we have our Kelvin Momo abawi, because i-foundation yabo iqinile. Labantu laba they made sure they were not rushing to blow up. Qala kahle beza now. Hence that's why now manje makangakhipha ingoma 95% abantu base South Africa they gonna stream it and listen to it. And labantu laba they don't really have bad publicity. You understand? So ukuzazi now ukuthi okay mengiqala into kanje ngiyazimisela and I'm ready ukuthi ngiqale vele. Hayi ukuthi ngijahile ukugcina. It doesn't work like that. And ifana nanomsebenzi yabona umsebenzi abantu bajahela ukuthi na sengifuna ukukhola. No, learn about the work that you're doing. Maybe moqedile ke soqeda ukukhola, you can take some of that money and be like, you know what, let me raise up capital ngizozenzela yami business using the information oyithola kulo msebenzi osebenza kuwo. You understand? Just don't do things for fun nje. You understand? So yeah, learn everything you start learn.
I can't believe ukuthi ngifeeling ngathi ngiseclass and I'm learning a lot and I love it. I love it. And where do you see yourself in the next coming 5-10 years from now? Because I know when I would see you're a songwriter, you're an artist, you're an entrepreneur.
Yeah, so definitely what ngifuna ukuzibona ngiyona ne in the next 10 years to come. I want to see myself being I wouldn't say a businessman as such, but I just want to be a person who would ngisiza abantu abaningi kabi. Like angeke ngisize wonke umuntu ne, but I just want to be there. Umuntu odinga usize be there because
touch
I
one
know
life at a time.
yes, because I know ukuthi musicians usaqala kuba nzima. Kunabantu from eKaslako, like some people abakufeel nokufeel they're like now wenza umculo wena bezidlala ibhola mos. Like we're playing soccer. Cabanga.
Yeah.
But then most uphumelele so right. Tana ungikhohla sikhule sonke tana shuminyana na uyabona ukuthi amakayazi makalo umuntu lona mara.
Instead of ukuthi akukhuthaze bekakuyisa umoya now
exactly.
Because you didn't want to listen to what they say. Yeah.
Exactly. So I wanna be there for them and be like, okay, sharp. Because me, I never had a role model. I had role models, ne? But mabengangisizi kangako, you know. So I realize ukuthi now even if you can look up to someone, akakusizi kangako because umuntu osizayo. Don't try to be that person, maka try to be at least better than that person. Ulungise la yena ngenzi khona, you know. So there are certain role models of mine that I know. Abangasizi ama artist aphansi okwasekaslabo. So I want to be there for those people. I want to have foundations abo cancer. I want yeah, ngifuna nje ukwenza into eziningi nje whatever the information that I'm grasping right now. Ngifuna ukuyishare nami, ngisharele every people le abangayazi le nto le. So I want to be that type of person. Bese ngile phambili kahle kahle. We understand.
And then so far abobani abantu ewasebenza nabo that you wanna appreciate them or acknowledge them, and then your dream local collabs. I would love to know about them, and then your dream international collabs.
Okay, so at first ne abantu engisebenza nabo engifuna ukubabonga. We are in NK, man. Yabo ungisizile that guy like nje unginikeza studio experience. Now sengitswembu manje yonke indawo la ngiyakhona ngishaya into entswembu ngiyazi. Yeah. Like sengiyazi vele ukuthi okay today we have a studio session. Sharp guaranteed hit check. Sengiyazi ngingakafiki lapha. Yabo. So sengitswembu ngaleyo ndlela leyo, but njengoba bengisho ukuthi it's not about how you end, it's about how you started.
Yeah.
So la ngiqale khona nje ngibonga lapho nje kakhulu, understand. And then we NK the DJ, and then the second one is actually Arms in Deep. There's a person in Joe Arms in Deep. Then there's Jazzy Deep Foods because we umuntu ngixhumanise no Tyler ICU. I ended up working with Tyler ICU, and then there's Dot Mega njengoba ngijela. I actually found a lot of connection. Yabona bese ngibona nabo Stoki. Yabo ukuthi you know it's working, yabo. So it's all about those people who were with you moqala kahle kahle more than abantu ohlangana nabo phambili, because you never know my intentions wabo labo phambili, because bangakubona bathana lo muntu uzosenzela imali. So nami angisena ngathini, I don't feel bad because I know ukuthi umhlaba unjalo and we can't really change it. So it's all about making sure ukuthi noma abantu ngabalahla ne, just don't lose yourself. It's okay to lose people, but don't lose yourself. Yabo. So yeah, yinto nje bengilongisitshela that was my mentality ukuthi as in I make sure that I don't lose myself, even if I lose these people, lose that people, get right mean. Yeah, because it's all about self-respect. Don't lose self-respect for yourself. Yeah. So yeah, push kanjalo nje. Then it is ubani uJazzy Deep ne, and then sing mention ogcina Springhill. Oh, Springhill namaqhawe.
Okay.
Yes, abanye nje abasekhasi vele nabo. There's a song trend out on TikTok ne. Ethi apaso bana ingozi. What's about, do you know that song?
Yes.
So Springhill Loy. So that was one of my role models vele abantu engibukelela kubona. So I made a song with him and God developing fisa ukwenza ingoma naye. Yabo like boki dream feature me nswimbu le ukuthi abantu ngenza ingoma nalo muntu lo so right. Because whatever that I do, I made sure it's okay sharp. You know, this guy like he had a piece in everything I wrote, like nje. I felt like, you know, this guy's very smart, like creative, that person, like very creative. So kusebenza naye it was very big for me. Hearing good to sing I'm like, even ukhona like for real.
Yeah.
Man, yabona ukuthi in life you are going somewhere. Awumange endaweni eyi-one. So it's either if because there's a saying, Etsy, the good news is you went a long way, but the bad news is you went the wrong way. That's the thing.
That's guys, that's J. Cole.
Exactly, that's J. Cole, vele. Oh, so you listen to J. Cole?
I'm a hip hop fan.
Really?
Yeah.
No. We need to share
There's
my
beauty
playlist.
in struggle and ugliness in success.
Yo. Nah, you listen to J. Cole for real. Oh, J. Cole is superior. Yo,
I want to brighten up. That is why I kept on saying hip hop. Like, that's why hip hop. You feel I'm a hip hop fan for this.
And hip hop is and I mean, say very tapped in with hip hop even now. Like,
I mean, that's the thing. Ama piano ngikhona ukulalela manginabantu kuphela. I cannot do it alone. Because I feel I'm a lyricist for days.
Yeah, exactly.
And being a lyricist, it means that everything is about poetry.
Yes.
So have meaningful things. So I mean, not in a bad way. It writes piano for vibe and all that.
For a vibe,
but it doesn't give me time to think about it.
Because man, just to lalele, there's a gong. Exactly. That's what I feel.
I'm so intact to my emotions. So lo muntu ukuthi mangilalela, I need to resonate. I need to feel it. I need to But I'm a piano. They've done an amazing thing, and I mean, it was born here. It was born here, and it's all over the world now.
Exactly.
You know, and senza umlando, history that will be there forever and ever. And as much as vele music waqale Africa, you know, so we appreciate creativity more than anything.
Exactly.
We want to see more, but abantu into engifisa ukuthi bangayenza. Ungaphumi on what you know that you're good at because of you want to be relevant on ngoba yonke into ilana. Stick to what you know best, that works for you, that reason. Ushilo wathi, you rather lose people than losing yourself. If that's who you are and that's what you
stick to it.
Stick to it.
And
then you will have your people.
Exactly. Because abanye abantu banokenzani banokuzama ukuthi na awana fit in kanti no so sukile labo ufithe in khona indawo ekufanele so yalahleka manje. So now you're busy saying I'm trying to find my sound, I'm trying to find my way, kanti nix kade wayishiya indlela yakho wena. You understand? So it's like that.
And then your dream local collabs.
So my dream local collabs.
Because they want so you mentioned it.
Right. But I so wish to work with Black Coffee, you know. So wish to work with Gabs that is small. Kelvin Momo, like yibabantu ngifuna ukusebenza nabo ngapha.
Okay.
And then Gale, I still want to work with the likes of Kendrick Lamar, you know, but J. Cole, because I also write. Like I'm still a lyricist now, manji. You understand? I just want to work. But Kendrick Lamar, J. Cole.
I call Kendrick Lamar a king of mind.
Yes.
I call J. Cole a king of soul.
Exactly.
That's what I
because
Kendrick will make you think.
I was talking to this person.
He'll make you think, and then J. Cole will get into your heart as much as you're thinking, but you feel it from here.
Like, okay, you don't think a lot, but like you just feel like you feel the energy he was feeling. Like, okay, maybe this guy was going through something like this. All right. Yeah, which is a good thing actually. Which is a good thing.
So you want to work with J. Cole
And Kendrick Lamar.
as Wishlan, we want.
Oh, we want to.
We're manifesting.
Okay. All right.
Finally, let's manifest.
Yeah.
Wishing.
Yeah.
But we owning it. You want to work
Say
with Kendrick, J. Cole, and who else?
It's okay. Yeah. Yibo, and then there's I think mengathola leyo two leyo kahle kakhulu yabo, and then Dr. Dre. Definitely, like Dr. Dre, and then Nasi.
What was it? Why? Like, are you an old soul or what? Because these people you're mentioning, classic.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, angilaleli hip hop that talks about like Lamborghinis. I wanna go. I don't listen to that now.
You wanna listen to something that talks about reality.
Like into zongvusa nam Kimi Woko. It's okay. Oh, in life there's certain things as a ganje. Because I think they played a major role kwabona nabo. For me to think the way I think now, like Mangsizile, because these people, yes, umculo was too matured.
Yeah,
you understand. So now, as a listener, I have to be matured. Like, so that's why ngizama kahle okay, you know what? Indoda I determine ukuthi inangakhi, but izenzo zakhe yabo. So if you wanna see yourself out there, iba nomcabango okhulile nawe kahle, you understand. So hence that's why yonke indaba zama youth ezokuphuza doesn't really hype me.
And then what is that one thing that I'm going to mention now, that one performance osayikhumbulayo feel ukuthi yabo lena ngayishaya, your highlight?
There's you see this one ne? I think it was last year. Yeah, was it last year ne? Yeah, it was last year being in my performance. Yeah, it was last year. Yo, there's a lot. But there's this one, I would say it was hosted Bram Fisher ne? Yeah, it was Bram Fisher because I like to phakamisa ikasi mina yabo like angifuna ikasi mfethu zwakala. But of course you have to give me something mara ngeke ngize ngihlapule if you don't have it mara nginikeze something inyana yabo, but I won't be big kuwe ngithi because now at the end of the day I'm things yabo. So angeke ngize ngithi mfethu awunayo 2000 ayekela but ngiphume ikasi la yabo. So asikhulume if mele ngigaya isikoloto ngizogaya ngiperform, I don't mind. And angeke ngize ngikuthele ngenze ngathi wena ngoba unamali bese ngiyakubhekisela because me I'm very okay. You cannot pay me money, but I'm big on respect. Like if umuntu nginikeze respect and esahloniphana kahle, then we can go a long way. Like we can go a long because ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukusebenza nawe futhi because ungangibhadali respect, that's fine because respect never runs out. Like no, not unless wena wenza lo muntu loyo. Exactly, you understand.
So you're telling me about that performance?
Yes. So that performance, it was okay. Lapayana, it was okay. The crowd being ne? Yeah, the crowd was a lot. But it always happens. Like every performance I do, it's always like this. But it all started there. That's why the performance I think it's very okay, sharp. So crowd base like so they are playing ne mara of course vele yabo nizojiva kancane because you are listening, but bokungenali anto liya yabo. I was like ana feel sharp nam angitshela ukuthi mengena lapha ngizolimaza. I'm just a chill guy, man. I ngithanda umsino right nje yabo. Nakhona I feel like I'm an introvert, but I'm outside because I have to. Yeah, but we can mina ngabe nje ngihlalele endlini mina, you know, I'm ngithanda indlu kakhulu dan ngaphandle. You know, so sharp now I'm there minding my own business, and then kube isikhathi sami sokuthi ngene. So abantu mabazi ukuthi ngene ne was my DJs actually. Okay, sharp my DJ wami, alright. How ngiza okay, me I'm very angazi if it's talent or in, but I can hear any song engiyaziyo maybe ngikelela kudala ngokuqala kwayo nje ukuthi this song is this one. Angidingi ukuthi ngizwe sangena le, you know. I'm like okay, sharp, there's the song and ngile kude, so I came running yabona ngizama puchuka sengena stage sengithatha mic. It wasn't planned. Nama ngithatha ngesikhathi ukuthi okay, let me calm my nerves now. Ngivele ngangena. Okay, sharp. So the song talks about amaphupho amaningi. But it's very vibey, but it talks about amaphupho yabona ukuthi bekezela noma inini yabo into enjalo. Okay, sharp. Ngena laphayana and then cabanga first song I saw the crowd like abantu basuka le, and the worst thing, the song talks about like it's very inspirational because it talks about every guy ohlala ekhoneni unephupho naye.
Yeah.
You know, like labantu sibabona emakhoneni
sicabanga ukuthi omoyindis
they also had dreams ukuthi bawe nje umoya kuphela. So that song talks about abolova abahlala emakhoneni ukuthi lene abolova abanamaphupho amaningi actually, I understand. So it was so nice seeing abantu ba react that way for such a song. We're like, wow. You know, so it was very crazy because what I do is I make sure I get a beat or would say vibe because that's the thing about J. Cole by Enzayo. You see beats no more lalela. You can hear it's okay. This beat is very like monga lalela J. Cole. You can hear it's okay. This beat about boom the song like she don't wanna be saved. Yeah,
you don't wanna be saved.
Exactly. Like if you can listen to the beat, you can hear it's okay. This beat is very vibey. It's very nice. But she don't wanna be saved. Yes. And then when you start listening to J. Cole, you can hear it's okay. But the lyrics, I'm not talking about the vibey thing. Like as if we're an artist, I think Lapa Magazongena are calling it as vibey, but because he's J. Cole, he's him.
Yes.
So that's what I do. So even if I get a song and it's okay, this is like a club banger. No, I won't be phased with manja. I have to shire into I'll make sure what's he shire into the lyrics. So that's simple now. Okay, I take intengati vibe, but then I add meaning to it. And then people wonder, okay, when you connect because we don't understand you. Are you doing umculo groover? Or
motivation.
Yeah, so the truth is I'm doing both.
But have you noticed even nase groove? Once kungene ingoma emotivationally,
you can
nabo fuma hlozi lami.
Exactly.
Like ubona baba na spiritual.
Yeah, like yes, that's the thing. And yeah, it was very spiritual gay. At that time, I'm glad that you understand it because it was like that, really. Like people make born good okay, but you know, and then they came forward. So bear in mind that it's the first performance and it was never planned like azang coming ama nerves one but meseng lapha meseng bona ukuthi okay you know what labantu laba bangijabulela ama nerves avela hamba now like ngiyayenza lento then it's fine yabo then it was very fire and then that was like namanje bangazi ngayo most people that performance I'm like okay cool yabo.
And then how did you meet up ne Baby Media and are you signed with them?
Yes, most definitely. So as ngihlangane nabo kanjani I think there was a music video that we had to shoot with this other guy Kamala Kufemo. So he was under Ibayebi. Okay. So yes, Mr. Khotso was the one who was organizing everything. So one takes that because mina back in the time I was not punctual, but now I'm funding about punctual.
Okay.
Because then to clone cards.
Yes.
So ngaba punctual. Okay, at that time being a punctual because I think benga understand ukuthi alright so melenze kanje
umuntu kahle.
Yes. benga understand yonke lento le.
Ukuthi ungahloniphi isikhathi shutha ukuhlonipha uNkulunkulu.
Exactly and azikho izinto ezenzakalayo uma ungahloniphi isikhathi. Like unokubona noma ulate. Hayi into ehlangana uthi ubambe ivaseline yawa. Uyithi don't ivaselaba na uyabona ukuthi man can't why. But more rights kahle like izinto zakho zenza grand. Ayibi ivaseline uthi hayi izolobo uwile today awanga kanti kanjani yabo. So it was the thing. So we need to respect this cards as always. But at that time again I bengahloniphi mina isikhathi angazi bokwenzala and I think nam being held up yabo but bengayibondi wengibona ngakhona. Angitext again Mr. M. We call him Mr. M. Yeah, Mr. Manager. Yeah. Well, so angitext asim where you at because we are siyashoota manje. At the time besingazani. Like we didn't know each other. Like nam nje uthi text nje artist yabo. Sharp okay ngifike make sure ukuthi ngiyeza. Kanti mengifika lapha na so i-cameraman sokuyelate.
Okay.
Gcine sokucancel ama shoots nani. So now I have his tense now.
Okay,
sharp. So I'm a person who I overthink ne. But John ngikutshela ukuthi overthink it's not about what you
execution
think.
It's important.
So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nama it's about time I get a manager. Bangiyothola phi manager mara what if bangirob yabo. So bekulezo zinto lezi eziningi nje nalo ngicabanga into eningi but I was like nah dog. Awuna show ukuthi bazokurob. Or awuna show ukuthi manager ngeke ngikuthandi. Like yekela ucabanga izinto ngekho show ngazo. But
and how will you know if you don't try?
That's what I'm about to say. Don't fail to try, but try and fail. So okay, I texted him. I'm like, okay, you know what? I need a manager. So I don't know if you can manage me or what. But like, nah, let me hear a song. Just suddenly make you move. hayi because vele bokuyingoma ephushayo and at that time ikasi vele bese ngaziwa vele ukuthi kona lento nabathi uSimthona liyashaya yabo so na ngitshela ukuthi hayi ngikuzwile somewhere like okay yabo sasebenza but no I'd really appreciate being your manager because second manager for I think it's 2 years now.
Oh nice.
Because it was after matric 3 years. 2 years 3 years.
And how has it been? The experience
fresh. Like it's always been fresh cause like I can see ngiyayibona indlu yami iza.
Okay.
Like I can see the works because akusengu umuntu othanda ukujaha.
Yeah.
Time. Yabo ukuthi yonke into ibuyele esikhathini like everything like isikhathi. So ngiyayibona yonke into izayo and now uyangitshela like I've gained much knowledge from yena. Yabo ngitshela ukuthi na sihle i-artist nini maybe mhlambe if we talk about royalties for example so mina bengazi ukuthi an artist ithola what's this melithola ama split sheets wase Sambro ama radio plays kuphela kanti no an artist must also get despite that you are a feature or in but you must also get digital royalties because you are also you are part of the lyrics and what's this like you are part of the lyrics and combine like everything you are there so a vocalist or an artist feature but manje sengikhulume ngumuntu oculayo vele because I sing I don't know much about the production side so umuntu oculayo must get ama digital royalties of which umuntu ozokunikeza wona is the person or dropping ngoma who is the prime artist today yabo so most artists barobheka kanjalo bathi sokunikeza indaba zama split sheets because akuvumelekile ukuthi uthole ama digital royalties.
And that's not true.
It's not like that.
Guys, we learn every day, and I hope there's someone is listening and we understand.
Yes.
And njengoba sishilo in our comment section, if you don't understand more, you can just ask. Uzo be available to answer that. And then yes, and another thing that I want to know, are you open for bookings?
I'm very open for bookings. If you want to book, just go to email. It's bayepimedia@gmail.com.
Okay.
Understand?
Then everything will unfold.
Everything will unfold from there. Or if you the thing is, I'm my number. So but or you can just fetch me on Instagram at the real Simthonado _SA.
Yes. Bengisazocela ukuthi ubize ama social platforms akho vele. Ungawabizi okay angithi ngifuna ubanikeza inamba yeBayepi Media. Inamba yeBayepi Media it's 073 003 0109. It's 073 003 let me start. It's 073 003 0109 073 003 0109. So uma ufuna ukumbuka that's where ungaxhumana nabo khona njengoba eshilo ne-email address ngicela uyiphinde futhi
which is it's bayepimedia@gmail.com.
Yes, and then your social platforms.
My social platforms Instagram I'm real Simthonado.
Okay.
Nemo ngasearcha kanjalo izovela and then on TikTok I'm at House of Vungu. But if you can say Simthonado is ovela nayo. And then on Facebook I'm also Simthonado and then Twitter angisebenzisa I feel like inesinyama. So ngiphelela lapho nje.
FlagX and then on YouTube?
Oh, YouTube I'm also Simthonado.
Okay,
so
and then
so everywhere nje mo search.
And then I'm Spotify and all that.
I'm also under Simthonado. Okay. On Apple Music it's Simthonado. So if ufuna nje mina just say Simthonado nje kuphela.
Okay. This is what I want to ask you. Sesizovala.
Okay.
I need before umphendula lento engizokubuza yona. If kuna anything engingayikhohlwa mhlawumbe ufuna ukuyikhuluma, please you're going to say it. But I want to ask you this. If you could look back now.
Right.
To that young Spesihle. What would you say to him? Whereas you would you're not proud of? And then what would you say to Simthonado? Positively so, ongambonga ngayo.
All right, so okay, engizoqala ngifuna ukusho Google Spesihle ne. I think amathuba amaningi ngiwayekelile ukuthi adlule. Yeah, because I was the type of person ukuthi isikhathi besingakafiki vela sikakafiki. But there are certain things ukuthi vele nami I was sleeping on myself to yabo
thola kanjani hlele khona
yabo so manje sengibonile ukuthi na if you want something go for it but mawubona ukuthi okay this is not meant for me iyeke yes yabo so yeah that's into engifuna ukusho ukuthi nasihle back in the time you had to be at least a little bit more kancane ufake nje urge nje you understand yeah but what I can say to uSimthonaro ungisize kakhulu because manje now I understand ukuthi yini ukuthola isinkwa kunjani engaging with abantu kunjani because kumele ube umuntu wabantu now I understand isisho sokuthi umuntu ngabantu because as artists we are nothing without those people like kahle you understand so yibo kahle uSimthonaro actually yeah ukuningi babo they make up uSimthonaro because on Spotify we talk about monthly listeners, we talk about streams, we talk about even on YouTube we talk about views, we talk about yabo so nje those people lawo ma views lawo ma numbers yibona lawo bantu labo so they are the numbers, they are the money actually so into engifuna ukuyibonga kuSimthonaro ukuthi ungifundisile ukuthi na man labantu laba abantu yabo yeah so sengiyazi ukuthi manje umuntu uyagcoka umuntu akagcoki umuntu uyamhlonipha yabo kanjalo nje yeah
I like that and then ikhona into ocabanga ukuthi we didn't touch base or yazi ukuthi it's important
no I think sisi touch up yonke into I believe so
and then can you give us word of the day
a word of the day okay so the word of the day is every day ne landela igama lakho. Your name must be the word of the day. So if bathu is phesihle, go ahead there and be phesihle. Okay. I mean sometimes most biggest billion and be like, you know what, I feel like I'm her or I'm him. Right. That's the word of the day. Yeah. Be what you think you are. Because I can remember we are fingers lana. So if you think you are this thing, this thing also works because without it I span. So ungafisa ukuthi moyile ufisa ukuba ulo. No. Because now when you exactly.
I like what you're saying. Sim.
Yes,
Tornado. Thank you so much. I'm rooting for you. I'm so shocked because like you have an old soul. And I hope you always instill such things around your surrounding.
Okay.
As I said earlier, we don't know who's watching, we don't know who's listening. You understand? I'm rooting for you.
Okay.
And I'm so grateful guys from here, but for you dedicating this day for me. Thank you so much.
I mean, it's the team, man. Team because it was actually a good sit-in interview. It was not an interview as such, but it was really nice, man. If I'm interview more so jail, it was gonna be nice because I'm interview. I feel like I'm out of you. Yeah, but this one it feels like a real interview because we went in depth everything in jail. So nam cool nam sisli. Thank you very much. Senzo sala kahle and please do tune in niqhubeke ukustreama uSisli because you know I feel like abanye abantu aba underrated la yabo na amabhoza la guys this yabo you amabhoza la lo muntu akaphethanga nini phone akafunda ama question la like yonke into is natural yabo and most ama interview ngwahambile abantu bakhona yabo ukuthi like they are programmed so uSisli it's Sisli versus AI la yabo so yeah nani bani kanjalo stay true to yourself yabo because mone qiniso kuwe ngiyakutshela namanga yajika and yeah remember ukuthi ubuhle it's not about the outside but it's about the inside you get it yeah but mofana no Sisli unakho konke hayi umnandi so yeah sesingayivala
can you shine note nyana encane
like notes kanjani like
umculo wakho nyana yasishine
you know there's a song it's okay let me sing this one athi ngoba izifiso ziningi ayo ngabawela sakhizi sikilikiti Nangilali lumandela Twana ya mubayeka Ungalahli lelo themba Be mina ngilali lumandela Anglele. That's it.
Guys nizwile sasiyivalile njalo ningakhohlwa ni-subscribe guys niqhubekeni ni-share ni-like ni-comment sinithanda kakhulu guys ngicela nihambe nino-check-ani uSim Tornado go kulama-handles wakhe guys please guys siyanithanda kakhulu and we out.
We love you all.